High in the Swiss Alps, at an altitude of 2,000 meters, stands the Spitalam Dam. This immense structure, completed in 1932, is a testament to human ingenuity and a vital source of hydroelectric power for Switzerland. The dam holds back the waters of Lake Grimsel, a reservoir nestled amongst towering peaks. For almost a century, the Spitalam Dam has silently played its part, generating clean energy for the nation. The dam's arched design, a marvel of early 20th century engineering, allows it to withstand the immense pressure of the water it holds back. Its sheer size is impressive, a concrete giant standing as a symbol of Switzerland's commitment to renewable energy. The turquoise waters of Lake Grimsel, held captive by the dam, are a stark contrast against the rugged mountain landscape. The Spitalam Dam is more than just a structure, it is a lifeline. Its reliable energy output has powered homes, businesses, and industries for generations. The dam's significance extends beyond its practical use. It is a source of national pride, a symbol of Switzerland's innovative spirit. In the 1960s, during a routine inspection, engineers discovered a serious issue: a vertical crack running almost the entire height of the dam. This crack, a cause for immediate concern, raised questions about the dam's long-term stability. The discovery set off alarm bells, prompting a flurry of investigations and assessments. The crack, likely caused by a combination of factors including natural settling and the immense pressure exerted by the reservoir, posed a potential threat to the dam's integrity. The risk of a catastrophic failure, although minimal, was too great to ignore. The Swiss authorities, known for their meticulous approach to safety, decided that a replacement was the only viable option. The discovery of the crack served as a stark reminder that even the most impressive feats of engineering are not immune to the passage of time. The Spitalam Dam, once a symbol of enduring strength, was now facing its mortality. The race against time had begun, a race to replace the aging dam before the crack could worsen and pose a significant threat. The decision to replace the Spitalam Dam was not taken lightly. It was a decision driven by necessity, a commitment to ensuring the safety of the surrounding communities and the reliability of Switzerland's energy grid. The task ahead was monumental: to construct a new dam directly in front of the existing one, a feat of engineering unprecedented in scale and complexity. The new dam, a double curvature arch design, represents the cutting edge of dam construction technology. This design, known for its inherent strength and stability, will ensure that the new dam can withstand the test of time and the challenges posed by its extreme environment. The project, estimated to cost $140 million, is a testament to Switzerland's commitment to investing in its future. The new dam will not only address the safety concerns posed by the existing dam, but will also increase the reservoir's capacity, enhancing Switzerland's hydroelectric power generation capabilities. This forward-thinking approach ensures that the new Spitalam Dam will continue to provide clean energy for generations to come. Section 4. Building against the elements. Constructing a dam of this magnitude is a challenging endeavor under any circumstances, but the Spitalam Dam project faces a unique set of obstacles. The dam's remote location, high in the Swiss Alps, exposes construction crews to harsh weather conditions. Winters in this region are long and brutal, with heavy snowfall and freezing temperatures bringing construction to a standstill from mid-October to mid-May. The mountainous terrain presents logistical challenges, limiting access to the construction site and requiring innovative solutions for transporting materials and equipment. Despite these challenges, the engineers and construction workers have demonstrated remarkable resilience and ingenuity, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in such an unforgiving environment. Every cubic meter of concrete poured, every steel beam lifted into place, is a testament to the dedication of the men and women working tirelessly to complete this vital project. Their commitment to safety and efficiency ensures that the new Spitalam Dam will be a success, a symbol of human perseverance in the face of adversity. Section 5. Lessons learned from Paradise. The Spitalam Dam project serves as a reminder of the importance of robust construction and the need for continuous monitoring and maintenance of critical infrastructure. The failure of Australia's Paradise Dam in 2013, just 8 years after its completion, highlights the potential consequences of inadequate design and construction. The Paradise Dam, also designed to provide water security and hydroelectric power, suffered significant damage during a flood event, leading to the evacuation of thousands of people. The dam's failure was attributed to a combination of factors, including design flaws and inadequate concrete strength. The Spittleham Dam project, with its meticulous planning and execution, stands in stark contrast to the Paradise Dam disaster. The lessons learned from past failures have been incorporated into every aspect of the Spittleham project, ensuring that the new dam will be a beacon of safety and reliability for decades to come. Section 6. Ensuring a sustainable future. The Spittleham Dam project is not just about replacing an aging structure, it is about investing in a sustainable future. Hydroelectric power, a clean and renewable energy source, plays a crucial role in Switzerland's energy mix, reducing the country's reliance on fossil fuels and contributing to its ambitious climate goals. The new dam, with its increased capacity, will generate even more clean energy, powering homes and businesses while minimizing Switzerland's carbon footprint. The project aligns perfectly with Switzerland's commitment to environmental stewardship, ensuring a greener and more sustainable future for generations to come. The Spittleham Dam project is a testament to the power of human ingenuity to overcome challenges and create a better future. It is a project that embodies the values of sustainability, innovation, and resilience, values that are at the heart of Switzerland's national identity. Section 7. A testament to human ingenuity. The Spittleham Dam project stands as a testament to human ingenuity and determination. The original dam, a marvel of early 20th century engineering, served Switzerland well for almost a century. The decision to replace it, driven by an unwavering commitment to safety and sustainability, demonstrates foresight and a willingness to invest in the future. The construction of the new dam, a feat of engineering unparalleled in its complexity, showcases the skills and expertise of the engineers, construction workers, and countless others involved in this ambitious undertaking. The project serves as a source of national pride, a symbol of Switzerland's commitment to innovation and excellence. The Spittleham Dam project is a powerful reminder that even the most daunting challenges can be overcome through collaboration, innovation, and a shared vision for a better future. As the new dam takes shape against the backdrop of the Swiss Alps, it serves as a beacon of hope, a symbol of human resilience, and our ability to build a more sustainable and secure future for all.